tighten the cam and go left to tighten it. Reverse threads, left to tighten. Make sure that stays tight, just to kind of give it a check here. Go up to where I hit my frog with the arm. Tighten it. Then recheck. That's pretty good. It's best to recheck it after you tighten it here. On the right side, repeat it. Got it loose already. Knee underneath till it hits this frog. This one's pretty good. I'm going to tighten it just a little bit. There again, it's reverse thread, so we're going to the left again to tighten it. Tighten this one up before we recheck it. Lift it up the knee. Want about a 1/16 of an inch here. That's good.